everyone, in this video I am going to explain Java exception handling. So for that we need to understand what is exception in Java. So Java exception is a problem that will occur when a program is running, and exception handling mechanism is used to handle this kind of exceptions. In Java, all the exceptions are subclass of java.lang.exception package. This package. So here, as you can see, java.lang is the main package, then object is subclass of that package, throwable is subclass of object, and finally this exception is a subclass of java.lang package. And exception can be of two types, runtime exception and compile time exception. And these errors are such errors which cannot be handled by user, such as virtual machine error or system out of memory error. Next, let's see this example. In this example, as we can see that we are trying to divide an integer number with 0. Here, we are trying to divide 50 with 0. Now, in mathematics, we cannot divide any number with 0. So, when I am trying to run this program, I will get an error. In this program, I have not used exception handling mechanism. It is just a simple Java program. So, after this line, after this third line, where in data I am trying to divide 50 by 0, I will get an error. So let's run this program. See, the program has been compiled successfully. Why? Because there is no syntax error. But at runtime I will get an error. See, what is the error? That java.lang.arithmetic exception. Now, arithmetic exception is a name of the exception that has occurred. Why it is arithmetic exception? Because we are trying to perform division. Division is arithmetic operation. So here I am getting an error that there is an arithmetic exception in this program, so it will not be executed any further. Now this program will not be executed further. So this line system.out.println, it will not be printed. Why? Because execution of the program will be stopped after this third line. But if I am using exception handling, then I will be able to print this line system.out.println simple program. So what happens in exception handling? Whatever the error code, it will be skipped. But the code after that exception handling mechanism will be executed. So our program will not be stopped in between. Now, these are the kind of exception. The first one is arithmetic exception. We just show an example of arithmetic exception. It is a type of unchecked exception. There are two types of exception, unchecked exception and checked exception. So, the first example, that is arithmetic exception, I have just shown you with example. Next is array index out of bound. Now this exception will happen when we are trying to work with array, such that if array size is 3 and we are trying to enter 4 elements, then we will get this kind of exception. Then another example is class not found exception. That means we have not declared class in Java, but we are trying to compile our Java program with that class name. So we will get error such that class not found exception. So there are so many types of exception which we can handle using exception handling mechanism. Now, in exception handling mechanism, there are 5 most important keywords. The first one is try, catch, finally, throw and throws. In my next video, I will explain you all examples using these 5 keywords. Thank you so much.